If you need to create labels for envelopes in Microsoft Word, this tutorial will walk you through the fastest and easiest way to do it. By the end, you'll know how to set up the right label type, enter your address, and print clean, professional-looking envelope labels in just a few clicks. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right into it. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, look at the top of the screen and click the Mailings tab. This is where Microsoft Word keeps all of its tools for envelopes, labels, and mail merge features. After you click Mailings, find and select Labels. This opens the Labels window, which is the starting point for creating your envelope labels. Inside the Labels window, you'll see a section where you can enter your address. Type the delivery address you want to appear on the label in the address box. Make sure the text is accurate and formatted the way you want it to print, because this is exactly what will show up on the finished label or envelope. Next, click Options. This is an important step because Word needs to know what kind of labels you're using. In the label vendor list, choose the correct brand, such as Avery if that's the brand on your label sheets. Then select the specific product number that matches the label package you bought. This makes sure the spacing, size, and layout match your physical labels, so everything prints correctly. Once the label settings are selected, decide how you want to print. If you want a full sheet of the same label repeated across every label space, choose Full Page of the same label. If you only need one label, choose Single Label instead. This gives you flexibility depending on whether you're printing one envelope or preparing a whole batch. After that, take a moment to double-check your address, your label type, and your printing choice. It's always worth reviewing everything before you print, because a small mistake here can waste labels and ink. When everything looks right, click Print to send the labels directly to your printer. If your printer is set up correctly and the correct label sheet is loaded, Word will print the label exactly as configured. From there, you can peel the label and apply it to your envelope, or use it however you need for your mailing task. And that's it. You've now learned how to create labels for envelopes in Microsoft Word, using the Mailings tab, the Labels tool, and the correct label options. This is a simple but powerful way to save time and make your mailing look more professional. If this tutorial helped you, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Microsoft Word tips, computer tutorials, and step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.